Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is Caught Red-Handed Teenagers Swipe 2,000 in Clothes and Attempt to Outsmart Police. Man, I know my hair ain't get done. Today's the day. Today is the day where I gotta do all my errands for my trip, get my hair cut, get cleaned up. But you can see the little waves now. They coming. Wait until I get cleaned up later, man. But anyway, let's get into the video, man.
I think we just headed back home.
Well, what just happened?
What?
You came running out of the store.
No, my babysitter had called me and told me my daughter was pregnant.
They walked in like shoppers but ran out like bandits. 3 teenage girls on a daring spree hit multiple stores, stealing thousands in merchandise, bold and seemingly unstoppable. In just a few hours, they stuffed bags with thousands of dollars in stolen goods. But their luck ran out when they were caught red-handed in the parking lot, surrounded by stolen items and out of excuses. Here's what happened next.
What's going on?
Nothing, we just headed back home.
Well, what just happened?
What?
You came running out of the store.
No, my babysitter had called me and told me my daughter was pregnant.
Your daughter's having a fever?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
No, this is her car.
Whose?
Kurt.
Yours?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have your license with you?
No, I don't have my license with me. First off, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. We want to cite the story, sir. You really want me to be honest, sir. Like, I tried to get something out the store.
They never have their ID. Never. Never have their ID. See, that's why we got the no ID shirts. They never have it. How convenient.
But then I thought that it was like, she don't come back here. You guys can take it out, so we end up just leaving the store.
Which store?
The store that's over there.
Okay. So did you guys take anything?
You can even take anything.
Yeah.
No. I don't got anything.
Good, they just stole a bunch of stuff out of City Street.
Well, sounds like that's a little different, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have your...
Personal stuff, the other has stuff
Okay.
I thought
Well, I'll have you step out there and we'll talk for a minute, okay?
Okay.
I'm okay. I'm just trying to get the citation for it.
Do you have your ID with you?
What's my name? Hold on.
No, but you can look me up in the system.
Okay. What's your name?
Tanija, Tanija. I don't got nothing in my pocket.
All right. Well, while we investigate this, I'll have you step out here with me. You can just leave that there. Do you have any marijuana on you?
No, I don't got
Did you guys smoke earlier?
earlier, before we came here, when we was at our hotel, but
Okay.
I hope I don't go to jail, because I got to go get my baby.
I'm going to put you in handcuffs for a minute here tonight.
Am I going to jail?
As long as you're cool, probably not. Spread your feet out there for me.
Okay.
Thanks. Do you have any weapons?
Hello. And it wasn't 2 purses. It was only 1 purse. It wasn't. I was already concerned.
There's a whole purse full of stuff, so give me one sec.
Can we get a total for that, please? Can we get a receipt total for that stuff, please?
Well, I need her checked first. Whenever she's done. When you're done with her, will you check her?
Sir, I don't have no problem with you checking me. There's no problem with you
Okay.
checking me. I just want to get this over with.
I got you. You guys all from here?
No, I'm not even from here. I'm supposed to be driving back home so I can get my baby from my babysitter. We're from Michigan.
You're from Michigan?
We're not even from here. We was finna leave. I was finna go back to the hotel and change my clothes that I had already brought with me.
Didn't you guys see me parked earlier over there?
No, I wasn't driving. I didn't see you park nowhere.
Is your ID in here at all?
No, but I have a picture.
Like
of
a
my
paper ID or anything?
Yeah. Are we going to jail?
Probably not.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Shirt under here? Yeah.
Yeah, I have a shirt. But it's nothing in it.
Spread your feet apart.
Okay.
Come on out, young lady.
Like, just be honest, like, yeah.
Bring that purse with you.
Okay.
What's your name?
You said, what's my name? Hold on, let me give you the stuff that was stolen, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't even have no business stealing. I could have really just bought the stuff.
So then why did you?
Huh?
Then why?
Because, sir, I wanted the office for my kid.
Okay.
Huh?
Is that the car key?
Yeah, this is her keys.
Okay.
We just
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, that was just all, sir. That was just it.
How old are you?
You saw what am I?
Yeah.
I'm 19.
You're 19? Okay.
Yes, sir. I really didn't.
Come on back here. Listen, I'm gonna just have you have a seat in my car, all right? I'm not gonna put you in handcuffs, but you're not gonna be free to leave, okay?
Okay.
So this car right here for me.
Oh my God.
This right here. What's your name, young lady?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name, Jayana.
Dayana or Jayana?
Jayana.
Jayana? Okay.
Yeah.
Jayana, just sit tight for me. I'm gonna close the door so I can get this back to the store, okay? There's a couple things that don't have tags on them, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
That one.
This is ours.
Okay. That one's
And
got a tag
this
on
is
it.
what I saw in the one bag.
This thing.
That.
You know, I get it. Times is tough, but stealing definitely is not the way. And then you stealing from City Trends. I get what they're trying to go for. Like it's not like, yeah, I mean, they're all idiots, right? Everyone they're all idiots. But you know, there's a different vibe from stealing from City Trends versus like stealing at Walmart or Target or where they got a huge loss prevention. 4K cameras can zoom in, do this, do that. You know, you stealing from City Trends that, you know, is their security really up to par? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But clearly there is. And, but I get, you know, when you're younger and you're stealing, a lot of the times it's like, because you grow up and like your parents don't have the things that you know, they're working to pay the bills, but they don't have too much extra things to like give their kids and stuff like that. So people go out and they start stealing and getting into crimes and trying to make money, you know what I mean? Like, because it's just ways to make money, you know? But they really got to learn that that's not the way. And there's an honest way to make some money on the side. There's an honest way of doing it. And this isn't the way, you know, if you're trying to make money or if you're trying to give your kids clothes. Because I think she said she was trying to buy her kids some clothes. But where's the dad? Or what's some side hustles that you can do there's plenty of 19-year-olds that are doing okay, you know, they're not rich, but they make an honest, decent living, you know what I mean? And even if you're going to school or whatever the case may be, you still got to have that drive to, you know, work on the side. There's kids that go to school, work on the side and stuff like that, but it seemed like she just got caught up. She got kids young and all this other stuff. It's like, man, you got kids at 19, man. I'm 30 and I ain't got a kid yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Like, come on, man. Damn.
Yeah, most things had tags on them, but I'm gonna assume this one
Yeah.
Okay.
I seen it when they was doing it. They just got to the door before I did.
So if you can get a receipt total,
print your receipt.
and then if we can work on any kind of video.
Oh, okay. Tom, I need your help.
All right, we'll be back down the way.
Okay.
Appreciate it. You know what's sad is like, I wish we got to the point where this was the most exciting thing that happens to us in a day, but it's not.
Oh, wow. I'm like, it is. It's the most exciting.
Right, for everybody here, but for us, it's like, oh, God. Like,
Rosie counted it.
that was, yeah. Yeah. There were some other items in there. He's like, I really should have just worn gloves. Like, probably.
Right now, who's just riding around at the red light?
You know what, though? We actually come across that a lot more than people think.
Really?
I bet you it's right in their car.
Had a guy earlier this year riding down a moped with stolen license plate. Had a inserted, yeah.
You say insert?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. I don't even know how I would approach it. I'm like,
Exactly.
I don't know if y'all understood what he was saying, but he said the guy was riding down with the moped and he had a license plate, a stolen license plate, and he had it inserted. You hear me? That means it's boofing. You hear? It's in the rear end. You know, like people go through some crazy shit in law enforcement that the average public can't even they can't even fathom. You would be like, what? Like, yeah, there's some traumatizing shit, I'm telling you.
Is it Janaya or Jana, the owner? Jayana? Yeah. Hey, Holly, you want to come down here and search here for me real quick? Hey, ma'am, come on out for me real quick. I want to have you searched by a female officer. But before that happens, you turn around and put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. Okay, I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Doesn't mean that you're going to jail. Okay. Will you search her for me here in a second?
We really had no business doing that. It was like, I feel like it was just a dumb idea, and I never tried to do it.
Okay. No, you're not going anywhere. She's going to search you.
Right,
You just need to turn around.
Okay.
Spread your
apart.
The teens were charged with felony grand theft after a full search of their vehicle uncovered even more stolen items from multiple stores within the plaza. Do you think they'll learn their lesson? Share your...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.